How to change font size on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your REDnote application. Now, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now, go to Settings. After that, go to General Settings. And in this display section, you will find font size in the second option. Tap on it. From here, you will get a scale to change your font size. Simply toggle this button on and then you can adjust the slider to change the font size like this. A preview will also be shown at the top of your screen. So that's it. Simply save it and done. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.